Valendi Capalia Vandi Telekaba Rania Kose Privalia no Setikata Melia Vando Sedikata Erabalia Kose Pandi Kose Valiana Erana.
So guys, as you guys can see, I'm just trying to convince this man I've passing here to subscribe to my channel. Look at him smiling. He's somebody that's very shy of the camera actually. So yeah, so right now we are done with the service and I'm just like, oh yeah, you should come and subscribe to Obi's Word. Subscribe. So look at him smiling. So if you are still watching me and you're still considering subscribing, oh yeah, subscribe, join this family. Okay, so the service just ended and we're about to go, but rain, heavy rain started falling that day. So we are just waiting for the rain to stop so that we'll start going. Okay, so keep on enjoying the video. Make sure to subscribe, like, share the video. Okay,
Slap join.
if you join, then that means you want to do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you all these options that are here, all these options. I want to join my membership to that every month. You can open from my account. So, but I need to subscribe. On this there, but the hair is black. Put them in black.
All.
Yes.
Wow.
Anytime I post a video, you will see me. You will come. I know you see the short video. Mr. Pay, you guys are so tired. My runaway people, see them. My mommy Esther. Esther, tell them hi. Hi. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. Say it very well. Say hi, guys. Hi, guys. They're not. This is that. Hey. So guys, we are done with today's service. We'll be going home any moment from now, but actually rain is falling now. Everywhere is so wet. So okay, any moment from now, I want to touch this head before I go. See what I'm doing.
When your flesh will go back to the dust, do you ask yourself where your soul will go to? Most of you suffer your soul without fulfilling the desires of the flesh. And still you call yourself a child of God. And still you call yourself a Christian. Some of you cannot do good to your neighbor, but you go to church. Some of you see somebody suffering, you cannot render help, you go to church. Some of you, somebody will even come and beg from you. You have it, you say you don't have it, you go to church.
Day 2. Day.
This one are everywhere, just like that day. If I know they carry my things up now, nowadays. Jehovah, I'm gonna be mad. Jehovah, somebody's house. Father. Yes, yes, this is me. So guys, in this video, on this clip that you guys are watching right now, we're actually looking for an apartment for someone. Okay, so Amen. To look for a house in Bayelsa is another story for another day. Seriously, if you're looking for a house in this place, you're going to pay for it because it's very, very stressful. Your time, everything about you. And even getting the house again is another thing because houses are very expensive here. Very, 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 very. When I mean very, very. Seriously, so that is me. I'm just like explaining a little bit, but I just have to do my voice over for you guys to understand what I'm saying here because the noise is actually much. So that is just it though. That's just the house. And the money that they called in this house is actually very expensive. So we couldn't get this house. It took us almost 1 month to start looking for this house. And right now we are going out because the place is not that good, okay? The place is not that good. You see the area surrounded by bush. In fact, Bayelsa as a whole is surrounded by bush and water. In fact, bushes and water. Just see road person go dey follow the waka dey go a house. You want see monkey bridge. This monkey bridge, there was a video I did. I nearly fell into this monkey bridge. I'll drop the link of that video. So please guys, and keep on watching. Okay, that is me trying to cross this monkey bridge. Look at just look at my leg wiggling. Keep on watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed up till now. Okay, yeah, in this area there is actually light in this area. Yeah, serious light, but just that the area is something else, because if flood starts, somebody this flood is going to pack somebody's house. Keep on watching the video, okay? Guys, just look at it. I'm go be this house. We are not in the haste, because if you are in haste, we'll make a wrong choice, okay? So that's just the thing. It's not really easy. Hey, so you're coming out of the place. Yeah. So if you're just coming across my channel, please make sure to subscribe, okay? Like this video, share it. Guys, this house hunting has been a stress, but anyway, we move. So they are grounding in my front.
I put 4 rubber for each pot. I cook the bottle soup in the evening. And that evening, say make them bring soup, say they want chop. I dish the soup. They make garri give them, they carry go their hotel. Early morning, 7 o'clock, I say, as an environmental, I live and my guys say they chat for me, say, food when they go cook when they don't even pay me, now they live for hungry for house when I know go pay and cook food for them when go chop. Oh, that's Sheriff.
I know I've wasted so much time. I know I've wasted so much TV. But Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer 1,000,000,000 times. I know I've wasted many years. I've wasted many seasons. But Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer 1,000,000,000 times. Oh Lord, I have wasted many years. I've wasted many seasons. Jesus, if you call my name, I will answer 1,000,000,000.